Understanding Wrench Set, a handy guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, wrench set. If you're interested in DIY, mechanics, or just want to expand your English vocabulary, then you're in the right place. We'll explore what a wrench set is, its uses, and how to talk about it in English. So, grab your notepads and let's get started. A wrench set refers to a collection of wrenches in various sizes and shapes that are sold together. Wrenches are tools used to turn bolts or nuts and come in handy in many situations, from fixing a bicycle to assembling furniture. Each wrench in the set is designed to fit different sizes of bolts and nuts, which makes a wrench set an essential toolkit for many tasks. There are several types of wrenches you might find in a wrench set. Common ones include open-end wrenches. These have a U-shaped opening and are used to grip two sides of a bolt or nut. Box-end wrenches. These are closed rings that fit over the bolt or nut, providing a better grip than open-end wrenches. Adjustable wrenches. These have a movable jaw to fit a range of sizes. Combination wrenches. These have an open end on one side and a box end on the other. Each type of wrench has its unique use, which makes the set versatile for different purposes. Wrench sets are invaluable in many fields. Whether you're a professional mechanic, a homeowner doing repairs, or an enthusiast in mechanical hobbies, you'll find a wrench set a must-have. They're used in automotive repairs, for car maintenance and repair, plumbing, for gripping and turning pipes, construction, for assembling metal structures, bicycle repair, for adjusting parts of a bicycle. When talking about wrench sets in English, you may encounter phrases like, "I need a 10mm wrench from the set to tighten this bolt." "Could you pass me the entire wrench set? I'm not sure what size this nut is." Make sure to keep the wrench set organized so you can find the right size quickly. Knowing these phrases can help you communicate effectively in situations where you need to use a wrench set. I hope this video helps clarify what a wrench set is and how you can use this term in real-life situations. Remember, a wrench set is more than just a collection of tools. It's a handy aid for various tasks where tightening or loosening bolts and nuts is necessary. Keep practicing your English, and don't hesitate to reach out for your own set of wrenches to get a grip, literally, on your next project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next lesson.